everybody. Today it is gonna rain again today, everyone. Well, as you could tell, I think that's an easy thing, but no, that is not why I'm making this video. So, as today it already rained this morning, I think it's gonna rain a lot more because, as you can tell, the sky is very gray. Look at all that. So much rain today. Hold on. And the sky looks very, very bad. Ooh. And whatever that is. Whoa. That's something very big. Whoa. That was a big orange. Big orange truck. I mean, on a truck. Ooh, and I saw a high rail truck just pass. But not on the tracks, just on the road. On the road, right there. For real. That was a BNSF high rail. Look at the street. So anyways, it looked like it's gonna rain today. And the yard locomotives are just doing park there. All of the yard locomotive. I don't know why. Oh, I hear one of them. Might be 2744, but I don't think so. Because they go in park sometime. I just saw a maintenance vehicle. Of course, everyone. Of course I did. Anyways, now that I know I just missed one of those rare things coming through. Because it's kind of rare to catch that anyways. Now I know I missed that. So now today, hold on. Alright, everyone, I'm back again. And yeah, look at the sky. It's just a cloudy sky. So I think it's gonna rain again. Alright, everyone, I'm back again. So yeah, it took a little while, but I'm back again. So, anyways, yeah, today is raining. Well, it's not raining hard right now. Everyone, it's not raining that hard because earlier it was a little more rain. Now it's just a little bit. Look. But it's still raining. Anyways, I guess I'll see you guys later, alright? Bye, everyone. See y'all later.